Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've been shopping on the Lookfantastic website and I've bought a load of brand new released products to share with you, and I'm really excited to try them all as well. Besides one, maybe two items, everything else has just newly launched on the Lookfantastic website. These monthly haul videos are in collaboration with Lookfantastic. They kindly sponsor these videos. You might have seen a recent one I put up a couple of weeks ago. That was put up a little bit later than usual. I usually do these videos around the middle to the end of each month, but my June picks video was a little bit late in uploading, so you're probably seeing this about 2 or 3 weeks later. But they're different products, so it's a different video, so it doesn't matter. Lookfantastic have given me a code to share with you, which is DiaryLF, and that will entitle you to up to 25% off site-wide. There are some exclusions, but not many at all, plus you can use my code on sale items. And all the products that I'm going to be showing you in this video are heavily discounted with my code as well. I'll pop a link to all the items I feature in this video down below in my description, as well as my code, a link to the Lookfantastic website if they've got any other sales or anything going on. You'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's start off then. I don't know what to start off with because I'm quite excited about this. Let's do MAC. MAC have come out with a few new items and I've got 3 of them. I have got the setting spray. I love the Fix Plus setting spray range. The Fix Plus sprays are like finishing sprays then. So they're not your like long lasting glued on type of spray that you want where your makeup is not going to shift for 24 hours or so. These type of sprays are to finish your makeup off really nicely, add in some hydration and all the other skincare benefits which I'll tell you about with this one. And also it just blends all your makeup, especially if you use powders, then it just sort of melts all your makeup into one. And I spray the heck out my face. And I just find these sprays just leave my skin just looking really nice and dewy, and it takes away the caked looking, especially if I'm wearing heavier makeup than usual. So what's so different about this one then? So this is Fix Plus Magic Radiance All Day Illuminating Spray with Vitamin C, 100 mils here. It retails for £29, but my code gets it down to £22.90. It's a hydrating setting spray infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C to impart a dewy glow. On the side it says a mist-on moisturiser that revitalises, nourishes and helps plump skin with all-day hydration for your ultimate dewy glow. Infused with hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and essential oils, it's alcohol-free, optimised with a fine mist spray pump, which is completely new to MAC because you might be familiar with their twisty lids, you know? Oh, it's really fine mist. That is really nice. Yeah, really fine. I love a fine mist. It means it's not going to wreck your makeup if you want to apply it throughout the day. It's not going to drench your hair. So we've got a MAC Fix Plus Magic Radiance All Day Hydrating Spray with vitamin C there. Another new item from MAC, and this is from their Glow Play range. And I've got a cushiony blush. And what shade did I go for? That's Peachy. And show you. It retails for £28. With my code, it gets it down to £22.11. I love the packaging. Oh, you can clearly see the ring light in there. There's 13 shades in total. It's a nice size as well. How much is in there? Does it say? We've got 7.3 grams. And before I swatch it, what can I tell you? A buildable bouncy blush that offers a radiant flush of colour. Developed with a cushiony, ultra smooth consistency, the blush completes your makeup with a natural looking glow. Its lightweight texture melts into the skin and your previously applied products, rather than sitting on top of them, supports a soft focus illusion that blends and diffuses seamlessly. So it sounds gorgeous, doesn't it? I wasn't sure what to go for, whether to go for this or there was more of a naturally sort of peachy tone. But I thought I'd go for this one. Oh, it does feel nice on my skin. On my finger anyway. Oh, it's got a very subtle glow to it. Oh, I hope that picks it up. The weather is absolutely awful outside. It's really, really dark. Hopefully you can see that okay. Can you see? It's got it's like got a little bit of a sheen to it. But that's really pretty. And it blends out so smoothly. Yeah, really, really happy with that. And obviously it's buildable as well. So I got a new blush. What is it called? Oh, I keep forgetting. Is it Glow Play range? A cushiony blush there. And then another product from the Glow Play range is a tinted lip balm. This is Tend to Talk lip balm, and I've got it in shade Serve. Ooh, let's get it out. It retails for £22. My code gets it down to £17.37. Look. It looks so smart. Okay. So before I try it, let's give you some information. There's 9 shades in total, and it's a pH activated formula that defines the pout to a radiant, one-of-a-kind colour, so it's a little bit different than usual. The balm's liptuative pH technology adapts to your unique chemistry of your lips to create a complementary tint. Packed full of emollients, including jojoba, sunflower oil and shea butter, the formula delivers up to 24 hours of moisture, all while noticeably smoothing and softening lips. The multi-purpose balm can also be applied to the cheeks for a fresh-faced appearance. Okay, that just looks so nice. To smell. Oh, it smells chocolate. Yeah, just not really. I just think it was wishful thinking there. It's not really chocolate. Okay. So I got it in Serve. So a nice little pinky sort of red, isn't it? So it'll colour adapt based on my pH. I love the idea of that. That's just really nice. A nice little flush of colour to the lips. It doesn't look anything like that. I thought maybe it would be more reddy, but it might well be on my lips. Who knows? But it's not supposed to be a highly pigmented lipstick. It's a tinted balm. It looks so smart with a MAC as well, written down there. Yeah, I like that. I got a Glow Play Tender Talk lip balm there. Mine was in shade Swerve. So another new product to land on Lookfantastic, and it's by Drunk Elephant. This is Bronze Eye and Booze. So a set of little mini tinted serums and a face cream as well. And it's called Beauty on the Fly set. The packaging is just really pretty. The retail for £27. My code gets it down to £21.32. So the little cream is a sachet, so it's a sample. And this is the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, 9 signal peptides. So it's just a little travel sample there. And here are the tinted serums. They're 8 mils each. We've got the D-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, Cocoa Extracts, Peptides. I've yet to try this. So yeah, it sounds really nice. It looks really nice. But yeah, it's been my first time trying it. And the O Blues. This is the Rosy Drops. It contains omega fatty acids and supana wood bark. What's that? A little information about the D-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, granting the skin with instant warmth and luminosity for a post-holiday illusion. The serum is ideal for those who experience dryness, utilising a blend of vitamin F, virgin marula oil and peptides to help hydrate the skin with every application. You can add it to any of the Drunk Elephant serums, oils or creams, and it can be applied all over the body. My husband chatting to the dogs. You can hear him in the background there. Ooh. Oh, it feels really nice on my skin. That has really, really warmed up my hand. Look at it compared to that one. Oh, I think that'd be really nice actually, especially if I've got a bit of a fake tan going on and I just want a bit of an extra oomph and a glow. I think that's really pretty, and again easy to put in like a cream to put on over my shoulders or my chest or something. So the O Blues Rosy Drops add a natural looking pop of colour to the complexion with this tinted serum. Arriving in a golden peachy pink shade, the serum utilises sappan wood bark, a vegan pigment, to create a flushed radiant look. Packed full of antioxidants such as white tea, and the drops offer defence against environmental aggressors. Okay, I'll try a little bit on here. Oh, quite a bit came out then. Let's see how that blends. They both feel amazing. They both feel really, really nice on the skin. What's that like? Oh, again, that is really pretty. It has like a salmon tone, you know, it's slightly iridescence as well. So it's not something that I would apply all over my face or my body, but I would apply it as I would like a blush then, you know. So there's those two, and I'm not going to try this because it's only a little sachet. We've got 1.5 mils of this cream, so it'll only last for one application. I thought this would be quite a nice set to take away for like a weekend away or a night away or something. And as I was yet to try any of them, I thought I'd snap them up at a smaller size. So if I didn't like them as much, then at least I could pass them on to my daughter. I'm sure she would, but no, I do really like them. Now the next item, I'm sure it said new when I picked it, or new range. It's nothing new, but it's new sort of designs. It's from the Flat Lay company. They do really beautiful makeup storage bags, and this one in particular is for your brushes. It just says standard makeup brush case, and yeah, it's in strawberries. I'll get it out and show you. This case retails for £15.99 and my code brings it down to £12.62. Look how pretty that is. It is really pretty. I love the little strawberry zipper there as well. It just stands upright. You've got little compartments to put some brushes in as well, and you can put a few in the middle as well. You can't put a load in there obviously because it's got to close, but there is enough space there to put like about 10 brushes or so. It's just cute. I went for the cute factor. I've got lots of cases and I'm sure I can find a case to put my brushes in, as I always do, but this is specifically for brushes, and I just thought it just looks so pretty, and I can just leave it open like that on a desk if I'm going away or something. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with it. I think it's lovely. It's quite sturdy as well, so you know it's going to stay upright. It's not going to like flop over or anything. I suppose you can always fold it down as well if you wanted to do it that way, so you can see your brushes a lot easier. But yeah, a nice little handy case there for your brushes in a really gorgeous design. Now the next item is the most expensive item I'm about to show you, and it's something that I've wanted for a while. It's not long been available on the Lookfantastic website. It's a cream facial palette from Makeup Forever, and it's called the HD Skin Palette. I'll show you. I've wanted one of these for ages. Not sure if you are a TikTok fan or not. You might see a lot of makeup artists on there where they've built their own little skin palettes, all made of cream and all in different colours, and then you see them applying like all sorts of different shades to their face, and then they blend it all in. Cream products are the most flattering for your face, especially if you're a little bit older. Getting some fine lines and wrinkles on your face. It's definitely more flattering, and it's just the ease of having everything here. You've got blush, you've got contour, you've got highlight, you've got lots of different colours, colour correcting. You can mix and match, so if your tone isn't exactly there, then you can mix and match quite easily. And it's just so smart, isn't it? It's so smart. Oh my gosh, I will be doing a separate video on this because I cannot wait to try it. It retails for £71. I told you it's on the pricey side, but with my code I got it for £56.14, which I thought was really great. A big chunk off there. So let's get some information then about it. It comes in 2 different shades. I've gone for light to medium, and there's also tan to deep. It's an all-in-one complexion palette that houses 12 cream foundations, concealer, contour, blush and highlighting shades. Co-created with makeup artists, the Makeup Forever HD Skin all-in-one palette offers buildable radiant coverage and skin blurring benefits at home and on the go. Arriving in 2 harmonies to flatter all skin tones, perfect your base with the buttery soft creams that buff and blend seamlessly while adding visible definition and soft shape to the face. The palette's sleek design makes it ideal for a makeup artist kit bag, taking up minimal space yet housing endless base possibilities. One of the reviews, excellent products, they make the skin smoother, multitasking, Makeup Forever products are really high quality. Another one, found this on TikTok and decided to give it a go. Awesome palette, easy to carry, everything in one place, everything blends so easily and you don't need to look here and there. Yeah, and it just goes on, like great buildability, perfect for travel, etc. So yeah, please let me know if you already have one of these. I'd love to hear your thoughts, but let's do a few swatches then. That's a foundation shade. It just feels really nice. And yeah, that's can be used for a bronze or to darken up a foundation. It feels really nice for my skin. Blends really well as well. Oh, I'm gonna have fun trying this. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait. So HD Skin palette, an all-in-one palette there from Makeup Forever. And then lastly, it is a repurchase of mine. It's not new, but it's the only item that isn't new to Lookfantastic, and it is by Style Pro. And this is the gorgeous bamboo barrel with reusable bamboo makeup remover pads. I'll get that out and show you. It's just a really nice little top there. So this retails for £12.99. With my code it brings it down to, I think it's £10.25p, something like that. So we got some rounds. These are beautiful. They're really nice and soft, really great quality. So you put them in there and you can buy more. I've got lots of different brand stuff, so then I just stack them up there then and put that on top. And then I've got a little drawstring bag, and this is what you pop them inside to pop in the washing machine to keep them all together. They do come out a little bit squished, but when they're wet you can easily flatten them out, and then I just put them on like a little cloth on top of a windowsill and dry them like that. But it's really cute, isn't it? And it keeps all my pads all in one place. Those are all the products I chose for my Lookfantastic top picks for July, and the theme was newly released products to the website. I'd love to hear what you think. Have you bought any of these yourself? What do you think of them? But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.